So I've been working on the pond a lot since the last video, making it a lot deeper, digging it into the ground, and I'm going to answer one question which a mate actually asked me, and that is, what's the difference between obviously pond fish and tank fish? And I've got the perfect opportunity. I also brought my first koi, he's up there. I've got the perfect opportunity to show you because I've just put how many? 4 of my fish tank fish, which were babies from pond fish, back into this pond, and I'm going to show you the difference between my 2 that are the exact same age, and I mean the exact same age. I'm going to show you the difference between the ones that were in the pond for 3 weeks and the ones that haven't been in the pond. So I'm going to show you the difference now. I do have a little tub, but they'll be perfectly fine in it, don't worry. So here is the difference. This guy here, see how small he is and dinky, and this guy here, both the exact same age. Obviously our guy here has spent his last few weeks in a fish tank, a big fish tank. This guy here has been in the pond. So yeah, it does make a huge impact, and as you can see, this is my normal pond water. It is clear. Dude, why did it come out? There you go. Yeah, the pond water is clear. It's a decent filter doing it. But yeah, there's some more in there, some babies. I'm going to show you an example next of me commons, which are, one of them's hiding, but I'll get them. Okay, so here's the difference in our commons. This guy, whoa, this guy is out of the pond, and this guy is the exact same age out of the fish tank. You can see a very lovely difference. He's got a gold to him. There is more in there that you know, both switched around, but I don't really want to disturb them because he was the last one to go in here, so I don't really want to disturb him. But yeah, so there is a really big difference from fish tank to pond. Obviously them ones haven't been, I moved them from the fish tank 3 weeks ago, then I moved the other ones, the smaller ones, today. They are getting very comfortable. Yeah, almost done with the pond project. Still a fair bit to do, but obviously lacking funds on it, but we're in the works on it. We're very close now. We need the cement and the decking boards, and then I'll be back to it. See if I can get them on video. Yeah, we got that guy there, who was like, that's the original pond, and then we got the tiny one down there, which has just come from the tank. But yeah, my koi is beautiful. He's getting fat. Fantails. We've got the bugger live fish over there.